they have put it here, where there are existing houses, and beyond the chimney over there, they plan on the Irish Glass Bottle site to build over 400 apartments in the near future. And there will be children, there will be old folk, and we need clean air. We do not need accidents.